Hello guys, welcome to another video of this channel. Now today we're going to be talking about sproutgigs, right? And I'll basically highlight what the platform is all about and what happens here and how you can basically participate here. Now before I do that, I just want to point out that I do not work on sproutgigs nor do endorse this platform in any kind of way. This is basically my own review and like walkthrough the entire platform, and the information that I'm using to kind of review this platform is based on the research that I did and also the reviews of other people. So it is very important to let you know about all these kind of things. So on sproutgigs, right, it is actually like a freelance platform, but I think basically that's how I can put it. So you will be doing a bunch of things, from like providing services. For example, like here, this person said I will record like a hilarious TikTok video for you or something like that. And usually these tasks are very small. So as they're very small and short, they're very cheap, right? So you do these gigs. Sometimes you might be asked to complete other things like reviewing certain websites and things like that, like very small task. Like, so you can either participate doing those small gigs, or you can actually hire people. But if you have any tasks that you need done, you'll find a lot of freelancers here. So I'm actually going to be reviewing it from the lens of a business owner that needs their tasks done, and also from the lens of a freelancer if you want to work here and possibly make a few bucks, right? As I've said, like you do a small task. Like these are examples of some of the things that you'll be doing. As you can see, I will set up a WordPress blogger website for ad revenue where they charge about $3.50. I'll create 25 guest post backlinks, $3.39, and you can see like reviews right here and things like that. Sproutgigs pick. Now, if you are familiar at all with freelance websites, then you realize that sproutgigs is basically similar to Fiverr. Actually, this has been is actually pitched as some sort of an alternative to Fiverr, Upwork, and other freelance websites. But I think the only difference is that businesses are able to kind of create some jobs here, right here, like small jobs that people can do, right, for a certain fee, and the prices here are basically very small. As you can see, start from $5.90, very small and cheap. That's more possibly maybe the difference, but again with Fiverr, I think most gigs are started $5, I think $5 and above, right? But again, it is almost similar. So the types of gigs that you'll be doing here, so you'll be doing digital marketing, digital writing, graphic designs, presentations, and so on. So you've got different jobs that you can do here in different categories as well. So as a business, you're able to hire freelancers. So as I've highlighted before, that you can create some sort of like crowdsource. Right? Like if you've got like micro jobs, small jobs, you can create them and actually hire people to do these tasks, to carry out these tasks. For example, you can maybe create a job about testing an app, helping promote content, data collection, and others as well. And you can actually see like part of the screenshot of the dashboard, right? And like you can set up a job like this, possibly choose the targeting area, like you want the job to be international, maybe from US or Western. You need like people from this part of the world to apply, Africa, and so they do kind of give you different filters there. And on the overview, right, if you're a freelancer, you're able to kind of earn badges, right? So on this part, like for example, Lisa is an advanced service provider, Jim is a starter, and Mark Fisher is an expert. Like he has like 671 reviews, this one has 13 reviews, and this one has 273 reviews, right? So you can actually hire freelancers, right, based on their badges, which is very important for the business owners, right? You can hire somebody that's suit your specific needs. And they also have like sproutgigs API, where you can kind of create jobs programmatically. And also as a business owner, you can actually find some influencers to basically market your business or promote your business or whatever the case might be. Yeah, which is very, very, very nice, right? So most businesses, if you're a small business, you can come here. Then of course you can do like gig projects, very, very small projects. And here you can actually find top level freelancers that have the experience to carry out a particular project that you want to do, and also like based on a reasonable budget as well. And in terms of the gigs, right, you can actually create them here and actually customize them. So Sprout Gigs is basically trusted by 50 plus thousand business owners around the world. So it is actually one of the most popular freelance platforms out there. Like I think I've known Sprout Gigs for years, right? If you have been looking for ways to earn some extra cash online, I think that you must have come across this platform in one form or another. So this is like the review, and they said good service, fast deposit, and good support. And you can actually get paid 5% to refer people, right? So if you refer people, like if you've got a social media channel or whatever, or maybe you've got a website, you've got some sort of forum or things like that, or part of a forum, I mean, you can actually refer people to try this, or maybe businesses that need to use some of the platform services. You get paid a 5%, right, for referring them. I think it's 5% based on what the clients will pay, or maybe the freelancers, the type of jobs the freelancers is going to do. That's some of the feature that they do offer. So you have to sign up to get this particular link. So as I've mentioned earlier, that a Sprout Gig is actually viewed as an alternative for things like Fiverr, Upwork, Remote Task, Jump Task, Clickworker, Tech, Micro Workers Alternative, Remote Task, blah, 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 things like that. So it is viewed in this way. And to join, basically, you need to come to careers right here, and click on this platform. And this will take you to this page, right? So you can join that team and basically explore some of the jobs that they do have, like the job opportunities right here. Now I did try to join though, but there are no position at the moment. As you can see, there are no available positions that you can actually apply for, or you can actually maybe sign up for a freelance account. So in this case, you can put your name right here, your last name, nickname, email, password, and all those kind of things. Select your country, and then tick these, like, are you a freelancer or a buyer, right here? So very, very important on which account you want to try to create. So click on freelancer if you want to work here, buyer if you want to purchase the services here, and simply click on sign up right here. Now this will create your account, right? And they will first of all send you like a message on your inbox to confirm that it is you that is actually creating the account, and this will be the message. So you have to click on this link that they provide right here, and this will verify your account, right? And this will be the guide. As you can see, it's kind of many slides. There are actually many slides, like 1, 2, 3, something like that. So this will kind of guide you, kind of give you information on how this platform basically works and stuff like that. So you need to go through all these, right? Go through all these, and you will be directed here. So here is also like you can put your stuff, like profile picture and things like that. And on the top, we've got the gigs, micro jobs, survey of fast wallet, buyer. You can switch this if you want to do freelancing. If you want to, you want like a freelancer account, you can go to the buyer if you need a buyer's account. After that, you'll be done, right? And if you click on another dashboard, you'll come here. So this will be your dashboard. So as you can see like gigs right here. Some same thing that I've said. um Apart from that, there isn't much that you can do. Just make sure that you fill in like your information on your account to ensure that everything is actually filled out, right? Then you can browse the gigs right here and browse them possibly by categories, right? Like coaching, digital marketing, convert files, digital writing, and things like that. So these are some of the people that provide these services. Provided do follow Backlinks, well, most likely Backlink stuff. Pinterest, I'll promote your website products on my 300,000 profile. I think I can put my channel right here. It's something that I was thinking that I can create my profile right here and simply like create a review video for the business. It's something that I'm going to do. Like since I review like web-based business, yeah, I can do that. Probably charge maybe $50 or something like that. That's basically what I charge currently. These are some of the things that you'll be doing: graphic design, financial services, e-learning content, digital writing, and things like that. There's a referral program there. So this is my account. For the referral, as I've said, like you can just generate like your referral link right here. Just go to get a referral link and simply post it there. And some of the features of a referral link, as I've said, earn 5% for each purchase if it's a client, 5% if it's a freelancer. So basically the same things that I pointed out. Right? So how does it work? You log in, register, get referral links, share referral link, and just a simple step. So guys, I don't think there is much that I can say about sproutgigs. Apart from that it's basically simple, and a lot of things I think you can do them by yourself, right? So again, thank you for watching this video, and until then, I'll see you on the next video.